Right now we're going to our school to
It's a freebie for you.
see Hotel Transylvania, like I said, my last vlog.
Back,
And look, I'm with Pixelmon.
You pay twice, right? So I don't like that.
And this is Pixelmon's little brother. See? Now we're just going to head to the gym. And now I'll see you guys in a few. Peace. Look at where our school is. Our school is near Loblaws.
Look at this wallpaper.
Guys,
Look at that wallpaper.
Turn it off.
Let me just
We're going to see Hotel Transylvania. I'll just...
Look at this wallpaper.
Look at his new wallpaper, guys.
Just
That is just too sick.
gold armor from Minecraft.
Yeah.
Sorry, I love Minecraft, guys. Sorry.
Yeah, and you guys know I play lots of Minecraft in my videos. But I don't play it every day. But
I played more Minecraft than you in my videos.
shut up. And definitely, you guys are asking for more, what's it called? Assassin's Creed. I'll be playing more of that. More Brink too. Yeah, I do. And I'll be...
Show me the video then
What video?
of Assassin's Creed.
I haven't. And then I'll definitely be making more Brink. So,
Guys, I'm gonna start making videos later.
see ya. Check out Put Pixelmon's channel in the description below.
Nope, I'm not
him, man. Yes. So hey Candace! So right now, guys, we're outside. We're outside. And then, guys, look, we're outside. We're outside right now, as you guys can see.
How do you gotta do?
Alright. He is kind of weird.
Nope.
Yes, you are. See what I mean? He's on Sugar Rush right now. This is my video. This is not your outro. Fuck you. Guys, now we're just walking in, so you can...
Okay, you can stop vlogging now.
No. We're just walking in right now. We're just walking in right now.
This way.
Front. Can you open it?
Did I just press
You gotta press the button, bro. Okay, I think it's open now. Open. Hey, Vincent.
Hi.
Hey, guys. See you guys in a bit. Peace.